Hi student, in today's lecture we discuss the transmission media. There are some characteristics of the transmission media. What is mean by the transmission media? The transmission media, it is nothing but a path or way by which individual PC is connected into the networking, that is called as a transmission media. The transmission media, it is nothing but a path or way, marg, that by which the individual PC connect into the networking, that is called as a transmission media. In which path or in which way the data can be transmitted from one computer to the another computer, that way or the media is called as a transmission media. There are the two types of the transmission media: wire-based transmission media and next wireless transmission media. In this point we discuss some characteristics of the transmission media. Which transmission media we want to use or which transmission media choose to use by the user. There is some characteristics of the transmission media. By the transmission media, data can be transmitted in the forms of the different signals, or data can be transmitted from one computer to the another computer by using input-output impulse or the signals. There is some characteristics of the transmission media. There are 5 types of the mainly there are 6 types of the transmission media's characteristics. That is, characteristics of the transmission media. First one, cost of a media. Second one, installation requirement. Third one, bandwidth. Fourth one, band uses. Fifth one, attenuation. And sixth one, EMI. EMI means electromagnetic interference. These are the characteristics of the transmission media. In board examination, there is also question can be asked, list different characteristics of the transmission media. You must give these the 6 characteristics of the transmission media. In today's lecture, we discuss these 3 characteristics of the transmission media. First characteristics, A, cost of media. Cost of media means totally which transmission media can be used to establish the networking depend on cost of the media. The cost is major factor to use the transmission media. The user can be choose the transmission media which is cheaper, and the transmission media which is robust. Robust means the which transmission media can be stably we can be used long time. That is robust. And the cheaper, it is nothing but the media which is cheaper. It is not a costly. That media can be give the preference to use. That is, cost of media totally depend the media which is cheaper and robust. First, user can be create the estimation of the transmission media, and then it can be decided. The transmission media which is cheaper and the transmission media which is robust, that can be used for the networking installation. That is the cost of media. Got it? Next one, the installation requirement. Installation requirement means which transmission media easy to install. Easy to install. And the transmission media which is required the skilled labor, or the transmission media which required the The transmission media which required low installation cost, low cost for the installation, and the transmission media which is easy to install. The number of transmission medias required skilled labor or person to install that the transmission media. But the transmission media which is easy to install, the user can be give preference to that the transmission media. The transmission media which is easy and the transmission media cannot be required the number of skilled person or labor, that transmission media can be used number of times, or that transmission media give the preference to use. That is a installation requirement. Next, installation requirement. For installing the transmission media, the user can be also create the layout as well as the estimation of the installation of that the transmission media, and then the user can be decide which transmission media is easy and it is easily to install and not required the skilled labor. That transmission media give the first preference. That is the characteristics of the transmission media, that is the installation requirement which is easy to install. That transmission media can be give the preference to build the networking. Third point is a bandwidth. Bandwidth, it is nothing but measuring capacity. Measuring capacity, how much data transmit at a time through that the transmission media, that is called as a bandwidth. Bandwidth, it is nothing but the measuring capacity of that the media. The media may be the cable based or media may be wireless or cable-less. The measuring capacity of the media, that is called as a bandwidth. And data transmission rate is measuring in terms of number of bits per second or kilobits per second, megabits per second. That is the capacity of that the transmission media. It tells by using the bandwidth. And bandwidth also tells that how much data transmit at a time by using that the cable. The length between the two nodes, it having the highest bandwidth. The length between two nodes or the two computer is low, the bandwidth is high. That is the data transmission is easily transmit from one node to the another node. That is a bandwidth. That is the main three characteristics of the transmission media. And another three characteristics, that is band uses, attenuation and EMI. We can study in a next lecture. In today's lecture, we discuss cost of media. Cost of media, it is nothing but the media which having low cost and robust, the user can be give the preference to use the transmission media. Next one, installation requirement. The transmission media which is easy to install and it is easily transmit the data from one node to the another node, and the cost is low, that transmission media give the highest preference. That is the second characteristics. Third characteristics is a bandwidth. Bandwidth means measuring capacity of that the transmission media transmit data from one node to the another node. It measure in terms of bits per second, kilobits per second or megabits per second. That is a bandwidth. And the two nodes which having the low length or the length between two node is a short, that time the bandwidth of that the transmission media is a greater. Okay, next lecture we discuss the band uses, attenuation and EMI characteristics. Okay.